Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the project and creating the data model. Add room and lifecycle dependencies, enable capped, then sync Gradle. Next, create an atEntityData class that models the table and mark a primary key. Once done, annotate fields for types and default values so Room can infer the schema. Make a simple DAO interface now with atInsert and atQuery methods. This is your first actionable contract between app code and the database. You now wire DAOs into a Room database. Create an abstract class extending Room database, list entities, set a version, and provide an abstract DAO getter. Then build a singleton instance using Room. Database Builder. Specify fallback to destructive migration or implement migrations if you expect schema changes. Once the database is available, build a repository that calls DAO methods on I/O dispatchers. This isolates data. Finish by connecting your view model to the repository and exposing live data or state flow to the UI. In your activity or fragment, observe the data and call view model methods to insert, update, or delete records. Run instrumentation and unit tests that cover CRUD and migration paths. Simulate multi-threaded access to catch race conditions. If things go wrong, check logs for SQLite exceptions and verify your version/migration logic. Misaligned schema versions are the most common culprit and often the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.